How to stop being broke without making more money. Watching this video might honestly be the smartest thing you do all week. Because what I'm about to show you flips the whole "I need a raise to get ahead" story upside down. So today, we're breaking down why that happens, and how you can start stacking real savings and freedom, even if your income never changes. We're going deep into 3 invisible money traps that keep people broke no matter how much they make. And then I'll show you a reset formula that can permanently break you out of that cycle. And if you stay until the end, I'll share one bonus system I personally call the sneaky wealth plan. It's so effective it works, even if you don't trust yourself with money. Let's get right into it. Let's talk about something I call the comfort cycle. It starts with stress. You have a long day. You feel overworked, tired. Your boss annoys you, or you feel frustrated or drained. Your brain looks for relief. You tell yourself, "I deserve a little treat." And since relief is easiest to buy, you pull out your phone, add to cart. You buy something small, coffee, new shirt, subscription, and instantly feel better. For a moment, it works. You feel calmer, but that calm is rented. Your brain learns spending equals relief. So every time life gets hard, your first instinct becomes to spend, not solve. That's not budgeting. That's emotional outsourcing. Because the stress comes back, and now your bank account is smaller. You're outsourcing your happiness to your bank account. That's how the comfort cycle traps you. It teaches your brain that spending fixes feelings, even though it never really does. The reason it works is dopamine, your brain's feel-good chemical. The same thing that fires when you get a new message or someone likes your post. The problem is, your brain doesn't care why it feels good, just that it does. And if you keep rewarding stress with spending, your brain learns that money equals comfort, even though it actually causes more stress later. Here's how to break that. When you want to buy something that isn't urgent, new clothes, gadgets, anything non-essential, write it down and wait 2 full days. If after 48 hours you still want it and it fits your plan, buy it. You're allowed. Guilt-free. Most of the time, you'll forget about it, and that's a quiet win. So instead of buying to feel better, do something that ends. Fold laundry. Clean your car. Take a walk around the block. Delete old photos. Your brain still gets that "I accomplished something" hit. But you keep your money. Make a quick list of free or nearly free things that help you decompress. Music, calling a friend, taking a shower, journaling, watching a funny clip, or cooking something simple. Keep that list on your phone. Every time you feel the urge to spend for comfort, go there first. The goal isn't to be cheap. It's to retrain your brain to stop using money as medicine. Because once you separate feeling better from spending money, you instantly get richer, even before your balance changes. You didn't fix the problem with money. You fixed it with self-control. And that's the start of wealth psychology. Here's a money trap no one talks about. I call it micro-draining. It's when your money leaks from mental blind spots. Not bills, not big purchases, but the $1, $2, $5 harmless ones that happen dozens of times a week. They're sneaky because they don't hurt in the moment, but they crush your long-term progress. Here's an example. If you waste just $5 a day on random stuff, that's $150 a month, almost $2,000 a year. That's not a small leak. That's a whole vacation you just deleted from your future. Here's the fix. Instead of tracking expenses manually, track categories of regret. Write down once a week what spending you wish you could undo. Not every purchase, only the ones that made you go, "Yeah, I didn't need that." When you review those regrets, you'll instantly see patterns. And that's where the real leaks are hiding. You can't fix what you don't notice. Awareness is wealth's best friend. Here's the part that changes everything. The reset formula. You can fix your financial habits in 4 steps. No raise needed. 1. Separate emotion from action. Never spend while emotional. Take a break before buying. 2. Add friction to spending. Move your spending money to a different debit card or account. If you have to manually transfer money before buying something, you'll rethink it 90% of the time. 3. Create a no-spend anchor. Pick one day each week where you spend $0. That one rule alone resets your spending reflex and gives you back control. 4. Reward saving, not spending. Every time you don't buy something you wanted, pay yourself instead. Transfer that same amount into a wealth jar or digital savings account. You'll literally train your brain to get the same dopamine hit from saving as it used to from spending. That's when the switch flips. You stop feeling broke, even before your bank balance changes. Alright, here's the part I promised. The sneaky wealth plan. This is the system that quietly builds wealth, even if you're terrible at discipline. Step 1. Pick one thing you spend on every single week, like coffee, lunch, or gas. Step 2. Find a cheaper alternative just once. Step 3. Take the difference, even if it's just $3, and move it into an auto-transfer savings rule. Now, that $3 moves automatically every time you spend in that category. Over time, that small automation builds a second shadow wallet that grows without effort. That's what rich people mean when they say, make your money work for you. It's not about investing. It's about automating better behavior. You don't have to make more money to stop being broke. You just have to stop letting your emotions and environment run your wallet. Now that you're building control, the next enemy is the one that keeps millions trapped forever. Debt. That's exactly what we're breaking down in the next video, called Debt, the silent killer of your financial freedom, and how to beat it fast. I'll show you how debt quietly manipulates your brain, and the fastest, most realistic way to escape it, even if you're already deep in it, because most people don't even realize how deep that trap goes. Don't miss that one. It's one of the most eye-opening videos in this series. Make sure you hit subscribe. See you there.